Hi, welcome back. I received a new mold from onedaysaving.com and I am super excited to use it, especially since I love cats. For this video, I decided to dust on some colored powders into each section of the Resin Cat mold. I will list all products I am using in the description box below. The colors I am using are Pearl X 662 Antique Silver, Color Art Papillon, Color Art Shy Rose, and Unicorn Arts Crushed Crystal Magical Pigment Enhancer. I am using a small paintbrush to grab some of the powder from the container and then brush it and tap it inside the mold. In between colors, I am cleaning the brush and using a paper towel to wipe off the powder. Once the mold cavities are painted, it's time to mix up my resin following the directions on the bottle. I will add a small amount of black acrylic paint into my resin to create a dark opaque color. Pouring the resin into the mold is fairly easy. The main body spaces are large enough to pour straight from my container without making a big mess. Once the resin is in the mold, I will let it move on its own to fill the legs and tail as much as possible. Using the end of my paintbrush, I work the resin into the remaining areas that need to be filled on the tips of the feet and on the tail. I will spritz 91% isopropyl alcohol on top of the resin to help release air bubbles, and then I will cover and let this project cure for 24 hours. Demolding these resin pieces is super simple. They literally just pop out of the mold. Look how beautiful these are turning out. I love how shimmering these pieces look and how the black resin helps the colors to pop. Creating these resin pieces into brooches is super simple. The molds came with the pins that I will glue on the back. I will use a glue called E6000, which is one of my favorite glues to use because it is multi-purpose. Once I have the cats turned over so the backs are facing up, I will get out the metal pin backings and apply them to the cats using a small amount of glue. I will let these sit overnight so that the glue can dry. This is a super easy and fun project, and these Resin Cat brooches will make great gifts. Thank you for creating this project with me. I'll see you in the next video.